Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to unlock your MacBook with Fingerprint. So first click on this little Apple icon on this corner, then go to System Settings. Now scroll down to Touch ID and Password. And here you will see Touch ID. First, let's add our fingerprint. So turn off automatic login. Here, using Touch ID requires automatic login to be turned off. Let's turn off automatic login. They ask you for my password. Click on unlock. Now let's start placing my finger to save or to add my fingerprint. So first, for the first finger, lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. So just keep touching the fingerprint button on your keyboard till to capture the edges of my fingerprint. As you see, the first finger is ready. Click on done. Now, as you see, the first finger is added. Now let's add another fingerprint. Personally, I prefer to use different fingers to save or to add different fingerprints. So I can unlock my MacBook with what is available of my fingers. The second Touch ID is ready. Click on done. Now let's add another finger of the second hand. Let's just keep touching, and they are keep going to capture the edges of your fingerprint. The third fingerprint is saved. Click on done, and here below the added fingerprints, you can use Touch ID or your fingerprint to unlock your Mac. Enable this feature. You can use your fingerprint for Apple Pay, for purchases in iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Books, to autofill password, or for fast user switching. And this is how to unlock your MacBook with your fingerprint. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.